Hello, welcome to another educational course on binary options from FXEL. This is Mark, your course instructor, and we'll be exploring how to use trends and countertrends in binary options trading. Let's begin. In our previous lesson, we spoke about trends, support, and resistances. Now we shall explore more the concepts of trends and how to use them more effectively. A basic precept of trading is that the trend is your friend. In binary trading, this means that if you can establish that the market is trending higher, then we should have call positions. If the market is bearish, then we open puts. Yet even in an uptrend, prices are not always going up. Within the primary trend are short periods where prices are going in the other direction. This is what we call a countertrend. Countertrends occur when people decide to book some of their profits. The end of a countertrend typically represents the best place to join the primary trend. In binary options, we want to open calls when we see the countertrend to the bull market is over. At this point, we can expect the greatest potential for prices to head up while having a more advantageous strike price. Similarly, if market is trending lower, it would be best for us to place our puts when we see that the countertrend is over. At this point, prices are now more likely to resume their downtrend. To gauge the likelihood that the market is about to resume its sell-off, an oscillator like a stochastic indicator may be used. As a rule, when the stochastic oscillator comes off the 80 level, we see this as a sign that markets could go down. If they come from below 20, we see this as a sign that prices could go up. In our charts, note that the stochastic is coming off 80 even as prices resume their downtrend. So when we see a downtrend and your stochastic oscillator is coming off 80, this represents the best time for us to place puts. So when we look at our charts, the first thing that we do is to establish the trend. After this, we can now put an oscillator to help us identify the end of our countertrends. When using the stochastic oscillator, we do not necessarily have to use the 80 and 20 levels to say that the countertrend is over. A simple crossover by the stochastic oscillator in the direction of the primary trend may be used as an entry. In our charts, call options should be placed in the points identified. Thank you for watching. Next, we will examine the use of more indicators in binary trading.